the ability to move from just an auto company into an energy company. And I think that that's not fully baked into the shares at this point.
How's it going, everyone? This is Daniel, and in this video, we're going to be talking about Tesla stock. We're going to go over recent Elon Musk stock sales, and we have an update on the federal investigation that was launched recently, and we have an analyst that have a solid buy rating for Tesla stock and why he sees massive potential for Tesla as we go into 2022. So we're going to be talking about all this important information in this video coming up. As you can see over here, we have Tesla stock that is sitting at $1,067. We had a phenomenal day today. We were up 5.76%. Yesterday, we were up 7%, and today we're up another 5.75%. We opened at $1,000, just close to $1,000, and we never looked back. We continuously go to the upside, and it's looking phenomenal for Tesla stock. You know, compare it to the overall stock market, Tesla was one of the best performing stocks in the stock market today. It's up 5.76%, and the overall stock market is also experiencing the Santa Claus rally as we get into the end of 2022. So there's been some massive updates for Tesla that we're going to be talking about. The first one being that even though Elon Musk sold some shares yesterday, Tesla stock went up 7% to the upside. So that was massive. As you can see over here, he sold his shares at around $1,235 and $979.69. So even though he's been selling, Tesla stock is never looking back now. It's just going to the upside. So as of now, he only have 1.5 million shares left for him to sell. So he's getting super close. And the stock, to be honest, is not looking back again. We are just going to the upside, even though he is selling his shares. So that is really great to see for Tesla stock. Another update that we're going to be talking about for Tesla is that the investigation that was launched by the National Highway Traffic Safety a few weeks ago, we talked about this. They were investigating Tesla because Tesla now has the ability for individuals to actually play video games while the vehicle is in motion. So they did a recent software update, and now, you know, people can be able to play video games even though the vehicle is in motion. You know, the passengers can be able to play video games. And one of the main concern was that that can provide a distraction, and the distraction can lead to accidents. So this was an easy fix for Tesla to do. And as you can see over here, Tesla now is promising to change the in-car video game after federal investigation launch. So it's a very easy fix, and it's not going to take that long for them, you know, to completely change this feature. You know, they did a software update. They can definitely do another software update or change, you know, some of the software update they did. So now let's talk about an analyst stating that Tesla could potentially see massive upsides because some of the massive catalysts are not actually priced into Tesla stock right now. So as we've talked about in the past, you know, once we get the announcement that Tesla Giga Berlin, Tesla Gigafactory in Austin, once they launch, you know, we might see a massive breakout happening for Tesla when they announce that they're officially going to be opening. So that is going to be a massive catalyst to watch out for. So this analyst also believes that. Let's just watch a detailed video of him actually stating the potential for Tesla stock and why he has a buy rating for Tesla stock right now.
Jed, you know, it's obviously kind of fair to say that this entire Musk selling episode, it coincided with a pullback from highs in Tesla shares, even though CEOs sell stock in their founded companies all the time. But I wonder where you think it leaves it. We're still at $1 trillion market cap, up a lot today. It's pretty close to your price target. So, you know, how do you characterize the outlook for the company relative to where the stock is right now for next year?
All right, so drama aside, and there's always a lot of drama when we talk about Tesla, but leaving all that aside, Tesla really is it's a momentum stock. And so I've always looked at this in a very simple way. You know, look at it with that sort of scale. What's on the pro, what's on the negative side or potential risk? And do we have more catalysts coming up that are positive versus negative? And I still think that we have more positives than negatives. This is a production story. So it's about, you know, these gigafactories. And if we look at that, we're mere weeks away from Berlin coming online. Then you're going to have Texas coming online. And you've got the 2170 batteries transitioning to 4680s. That gives them optionality, which is the ability to move from just an auto company into an energy company. And I think that that's not fully baked into the shares at this point.
Do you feel that's not baked into the shares in terms of how the storyline might be energized by that, and therefore you'd get this a restart of that momentum? Or do you actually believe on a financial basis at $1 trillion, the potential for these new gigafactories and this other energy business line are not reflected in the valuation?
Well, I mean, we have to look at, are we in a bull market? Are we in a bear market? And so if we're going to look at because it's all relative, our price, we're all trying to look at what is relative performance. So, we would be having a different discussion if the argument here was, hey, we're in a bear market in terms of the total value. By the way, the guys that argue value on Tesla, they've gotten their heads handed to them time and time again here. So I'll come back and say in a bull market, and by the way, the Build Back Better, that not happening, at least for the time being, that actually takes the whole competitive side away from, all the competitors coming in and taking the share. Because Tesla wouldn't be capturing that anyhow. So I do think that in this market, at this time, there's still more positives than negatives with respect to Tesla, and I'll keep the buy on that.
Now let's go over and talk about what to expect for Tesla stock as we get into the end of the year. We're going to talk about a detailed breakdown of Tesla stock. So before we talk about that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell, and if you want 5 free stocks for Christmas, check out the links in the description box below. You can get 5 free stocks for Momo. So as you can see right here, we're having a phenomenal bullish momentum for Tesla stock. We bounced back from $900 and we're never looking back. Even though Elon Musk was selling his shares, Tesla basically broke out to the upside. We have this $1,000 level that we're watching. Yesterday we broke it. We closed above this $1,000 area, and right now we're getting close to $1,100. And the most important price level to watch right now is for Tesla to potentially test the all-time high price point over here, which is $1,243. So there's going to be a massive catalyst, of course, that we're expecting for Tesla as we go into 2022. We're getting super close for the announcement of a potential launch of the massive gigafactory in Berlin. Yesterday we talked about they submitted all the appropriate documents to the government, and we're just going to be waiting for the government to approve. And once that is approved, once we get that news, we can see a potential stock rally for Tesla stock to come in. We also have the Tesla Gigafactory in Texas also is going to be a massive player as we go into 2022. So there is going to be a lot of potential for Tesla. As we heard from the analysts, all these things are not currently priced into Tesla. We're going to see massive potential, a massive rally for Tesla once these news is going to be coming out. And also we're experiencing the Santa Claus rally right now. Stocks tend to perform very well. Santa Claus rally tends to continue till the end of the year, so we have some more room for Tesla to go to the upside, and that is going to be phenomenal. But the major thing to be watching out for that is going to skyrocket Tesla stock, as I mentioned, is these two massive catalysts that we've been talking about several times. So definitely keep an eye on for Tesla stock. We have analysts that are stating that it still is not priced in all these massive catalysts that we're expecting for them to announce in 2022. Still not priced in, so that is really great. So Tesla stock is definitely a buy. We're talking about it. Okay, Tesla is a buy right now when it dips all the way below over here, and we might see Tesla stock, go to 1,200. We talked about a recent analyst saying that okay, Tesla price target is going to be $1,200. He sees big potential as we go into 2022, and we have this also recent analyst stating that Tesla is a buy right now. There's a lot of catalysts that is not priced in for Tesla stock right now. So definitely keep an eye on for Tesla stock. We're expecting some massive moves as we go into 2022. And let me know in the comment section below if you actually bought Tesla stock. What is your price prediction for 2022? And let me know in the comment section below. Of course, I really appreciate everybody that watched the channel. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and hit the like button too. I hope you have a phenomenal Christmas. I'm going to be making videos, of course, continuously about Tesla. But I catch you guys on another video. Have a wonderful day.